Today's simple recipe is how to cook salmon fillets into the air fryer. So I've got here 2 fillets of salmon and we're gonna begin by preparing the marinade. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 clove of grated garlic. Now when it comes to acid, we're gonna be using lemon juice and lemon zest. Quite important, especially when you're dealing with a fish as fatty as the salmon. Now grab a whisk and mix all these ingredients together. In goes the salmon. And I also want to add in some freshly grounded black pepper, not too much. With the salt, I'm not even adding. For my taste, it's absolutely fine because you've got enough salt from the soy sauce. In an ideal world, we want to marinate these for about 12 to 24 hours to really get the benefit of all the ingredients that we added over the salmon. Now I know time is not always on our side, so we're gonna give it about 10-15 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna preheat the air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius or about 300 Fahrenheit. With the air fryer preheated, we're gonna go in with the salmon fillets. Now we're gonna cook these for about 7 to 10 minutes. It all comes to how thick your salmon fillets actually are. Halfway through the cooking process, we're gonna brush the salmon with that marinade that we prepared earlier, giving it more flavor and keeping it nice and moist. You can kind of know when are ready when you check them with a fork and are flaky all the way through. Once out of the air fryer, serve it immediately with your favorite garnish. I'm gonna leave a healthy one right here and I'll see you in the next one.